Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $37,874,616, or so they by and large thought. Theta organization truly is as of now esteemed at $1.06 bears control Theta's kind of current cost activities amazingly. 03 December 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and truly attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is truly momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, really is Theta a very wise venture? Which in every practical sense is very critical. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth, which sort of is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Theta specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, showing how 03 December 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters. Walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, generally is Theta a kind of wise interest in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an extremely significant manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume truly remains at $45,105,667,806, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at 92 cents, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, or so they truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437, or so they fundamentally thought. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, so yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense, let us by and large discussion about the ongoing economic situations, showing how 03 December 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters. Walk you through Theta organization cost investigation for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is essentially transient cost expectation for Theta organization, for the most part, is Theta a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 2.68 and right now exchanging at 63 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, showing that XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a really descending heading for pretty present moment, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally shows that Theta United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at 92 cents in a very significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more by and large dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally shows that Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at 92 cents, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants especially become move pretty dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly is very critical. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, basically is at $1.06, down 1.69% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 6.17% throughout the week, which essentially is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 37,874,616.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $1,059,994,777 United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely huge. There especially are very nearly 1 billion most certainly are available for use out of 1 billion, so Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 03 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in every way that really matters, huge way. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Theta organization, so 03 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, in every practical sense. Is Theta a sort of wise venture, which basically is very huge? The Theta United States dollar moving really normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, basically is demonstrating an essentially present moment, by and large sell pretty sign, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath, kind of sign line which for the most part implies, by and large bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. So Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29. And most certainly is attempting to by and large break out of the negative zone, while featuring